Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change your password on Spotify. We cannot change the password of Spotify easily because there is no option available on mobile. You have to either delete the Spotify app on your mobile device and go to open.spotify.com on the web browser. Open up the web browser. Here search open.spotify.com. Hit the login button from the upper right corner. From here, scroll down to forget your password. Click on it, then enter your email or username of your account, then hit the send button. They have sent you an email, so just follow the instructions to reset your password. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.